Hey guys, what's up? This is your Joshua with SIMPLEKEYZ. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to play Isn't She Lovely by Stevie Wonder. This song really needs no introduction. This is a classic made by a living legend who has made such a huge impact on the music industry and music as a whole. And this song shouldn't be any exception. I'm sure most of you guys are familiar with this song. And if you are keen on learning some more soulful music, this is a perfect track to learn some pretty sweet chords and also learn how to play like the legend himself, Stevie Wonder. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. We're in the key of E major for this one. So E's are 1, F sharps are 2, G sharps are 3, A's are 4, B's are 5, C sharps are 6, D sharps are 7, and then we're back to the top. Now, this song can also be considered C sharp minor as well. I like to keep it simple and make it like E major. Okay, this song really only has 2 parts, and each of those parts have 4 chords. And this is pretty soulful, so you're going to hear a lot of like dominant chords, altered chords. So even though it is a simple, fairly simple song, you're going to get a chance to learn some pretty cool syncopations and some pretty cool chords. So let's go ahead and get started with the intro. It sounds like this. Okay, so let's work through that. So what's going on here? So the left hand, we're going from the 6th tone, and then going to the 2nd tone, which is the F sharp, and then we're going to the 5th tone, and then going to the E major chord. So, okay, that's the entire first part. Now, right hand, what we're playing here is a C sharp minor 7 chord. Actually, this is a minor 9. C sharp minor 9. And then we're going to be playing an F sharp 13 chord. And the easy thing about this, especially when you're moving between these 2 chords, is that your right hand is only moving like 1 note. So if you see that, you're just moving 1 note. The next chord, we're going to be playing a B. We're going to be playing like an F sharp minor over B. This can also be called the B7 sus2, but I won't get too deep into the names, but just think about it as an F sharp minor over the B, and then we're going to stop at the E major chord. So the chords again, right hand is going to be playing a C sharp minor 11, F sharp 13 when you add that bass in there. So 2nd chord, 3rd chord, 4th chord. And then I also like to add a passing chord, which is going to take us back to that 6th tone. So I like to go to the 3rd tone chord. You can play 2 chords. You can play this G7 chord and then go, sorry. You can go back there, or you can play an augmented chord on that 3rd tone. So I like the augmented one. It just sounds a little bit more like smoother transition. Okay, and then you're back to the top. So really, those are all the chords we need. C sharp minor 9, F sharp 13, a B. Let's just consider this F sharp minor chord over the B, and then an E major chord. So that's it. So the syncopation for this is okay, so left hand is going. Okay, just take it slower if you need to pick it up. So That's the entire first part. So once you get that down, you'll be good to go. Next section, which is like the bridge kind of part, it goes. Okay, so let's work through that. So we're playing an A major 9, 7, 9. Next chord, we're actually playing a G sharp 7 flat 9. Okay, and then next chord, we're playing a C sharp minor 7. And then the next chord, F sharp 13 again. Or I like the F sharp 13 here, or I can use this chord over here. And then we're going to go back to that C sharp minor, F sharp minor over B. Okay, so let's work over those chords again one more time. A major 9. Okay, G sharp 7, flat 9. Okay, C sharp minor 7. I like to use this one. It's an F sharp 13 or F sharp 9 if you like. Back to the 5th tone chord. All right, so this is what's going to sound like when you have all the pieces together. Okay, we'll do that part one more time and really slow. So, okay, that's pretty much it. So left hand, 4, 3, 6. Okay, that's pretty much what the left hand is doing there. So let's finish up with that little run at the end. So it goes. So it's like, this is a pentatonic run. If you're a beginner, you don't have to do the whole run. You can just do it in one hand. And you're pretty much going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and you're repeating that 1, 2, 3 part and come back. So kind of messed up the left hand there, but it's then back to the top. Guys, that's the entire song. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, comment, subscribe, and take your time with this. If you're a beginner, don't rush into it. Just try to make sure you get the syncopations down, but it shouldn't be hard to kind of get down. This is a very popular song by a living legend, so you should have fun with this one. So if you guys are also interested in learning how to play music by ear, have some free resources at SIMPLEKEYZ.com that you can grab to help you get started. And if you're interested in learning about how to play chords like this and how they're made, you can also check out SIMPLEKEYZ.com. Have some courses there that kind of break down the entire music learning process from scratch. And we go through the fundamentals, we go through chords, we go through progressions, and also how to master songs and how I pick up songs like this literally within minutes. So go ahead and check that out. And if you guys have any questions and any feedback, and maybe just some comments, you can leave that in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this lesson, and I'll see you guys in the next one.